Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about padding in CSS. What is padding in CSS? Padding in CSS is simply setting a space between an object and its border. When styling in CSS, we are using the CSS box model. You might have seen this layout if you ever pressed inspect on a website. The CSS model is composed of the content, then the padding around it, next the border, and finally the margin. Padding is the space between the content and the border. And today we will learn about padding and how to configure size. For this video, I will be using a div element that is holding a paragraph element from my HTML file. And in my CSS file, I will color the background of our div element blue and set both its width and height to 300 pixels. If we do this, we will have a blue box with our paragraph on our website. Now, to pad your HTML element, write a padding property after selecting your HTML element. As you may know, I have already written many CSS properties from my HTML element. Just write your padding property after the other properties. I will not show them here for conciseness. First, write padding all lowercase and follow it with a colon. Then write the number of pixels you want there to be between your content and your border. Make sure to end it with px. This is how it will look on our website. One thing to note is that it will make your object larger than the set size with padding compared to without padding. Just rewrite your width and height size. One last thing to know is that instead of padding all around the content like we are already doing, we can target which side to pad. There is a way to only pad the top, bottom, left, or right side of your content. Just write padding, dash, the side you want, and the size of your spacing. The padding dash top only pads the top. The padding dash bottom only pads the bottom. The padding dash left only pads the left. The padding dash right only pads the right. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.